The Internet is a worldwide collection of computer networks connected for the purpose of sharing resources or communicating, and can be seen as a global network. The hardware and software required to connect to the Internet is an Ethernet connection, a network card or wireless-enabled computer, software such as an Internet browser, a network providing Internet, and a device such as a router or wireless router. A router joins computer networks together using either wired or wireless connections. IP addresses. Protocols are sets of rules and are required for computers to communicate. Collectively, TCP and IP are called the TCP/IP suite. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, ensures the transmission gets from the sender host to the destination host. IP, Internet Protocol, identifies different computers connected to the Internet. The DNS domain name server assigns unique names and numbers to connected hosts or computers, each with a unique host name, domain name, and IP address. The host name is words, while the IP address is a 32-bit or 128-bit number. For IPv4, it is 32-bit, with 4 8-bit numbers separated by dots. I have put some examples on screen, and note that any values greater than 255 result in a false address. The World Wide Web consists of many linked web pages which can be accessed via the Internet, with hypertext documents which can be viewed with a web browser. Please note that the Internet is not the same as the World Wide Web, since the World Wide Web runs on the Internet, and a web page is any document on the web. A website is made up of many linked web pages accessed using an application called an Internet browser. A web browser is a program used to locate and view web pages, and is responsible for processing the HTML code. A search engine is a program that searches documents on the web for specified keywords and returns a list of documents with hyperlinks to relevant pages. Note that these are the examples of web browsers. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Each web page on the Internet has a unique address called the URL, used to view the web pages. Many URLs begin with HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The S in HTTPS indicates that the site is secure and safer for private information. Protocols are used for sending and receiving emails, with SMTP being responsible for sending emails, while POP and IMAP are for receiving. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. POP downloads the emails from the ISP and stores them on the device, while for IMAP the email remains on the ISP server but can be read on all your devices, allowing for syncing. Cloud storage is the storage of data online. The benefits are that you don't need to buy new equipment, as in physical storage. You can access cloud storage anytime, anywhere, as long as you are connected to the Internet, and you have an automatic remote backup. You only pay for the storage in use. Concerns are an unreliable internet connection can stop data access, security is a concern, and the company storing the data could close or have irrecoverable disaster.